In this lesson, we will learn how to create bounding box and how to take advantage from this bounding box. I created a drawing file from this part file. Go inside that drawing file. I also created a table which is a cut list table from this part file, and inside this table there is a description column, but few rows are showing blank. If I use bounding box, I will be able to fill up all of this box automatically. Normally in this type of situation, you just have to double click inside this box and you just have to write whatever you want. But let's apply bounding box, then we will see that will update inside it. Go inside that part file again. Inside this cut list folder, right click any one of this folder and select properties. Inside first few folders, we can see this description is showing, which is created automatically. But if we check these last three folders called top board, gusset or end plate, there is no description here. That's why there is no value inside that description column. Now let's create a bounding box. Select this folder. Inside this folder there is just only one body, which is this top plate. Now go inside this folder. There is just only one body. Right click on this folder and select create bounding box. This bounding box means SolidWorks will try to create a smallest possible box inside which this body will fit. So select it. Now it will create that bounding box. It's hard to understand that SolidWorks created that. Right click and select properties. Now inside this is the description has been created. SolidWorks by default put just a name called plate. If you want, you can change it. And all of those other value is coming from all of this variable. Now do it for gusset and end plate. Now right click and see the properties. Inside gusset, still it is showing me plate. Change this to gusset. Then inside end plate, change from plate to end plate. Finally top board, change this to top board. Now press OK. Now go to inside drawing file. Here all information is showing here, and which is meaningful information. As for example, all of these are end plate. When manufacturer will manufacture this, they only need length, width and thickness, which is showing here, as well as for top board and this gusset. This is how you will be able to take advantage from that bounding box. You don't need to calculate what size of plate we are using for end plate or gusset or top board.